everyone, it's Steve Shkunda and this is Cool Things to Do. I got a new bike, which is Yamaha FZ07. Yeah, it's a street bike. Some people call it naked bike. Naked because it doesn't have windshield. And it's pretty much a sport bike with the upright position. It's light, fast, and it's easy to maneuver. On the opposite side, you can go far, you can go on the long rides on this bike like you would on the cruiser. And you'll be riding in different conditions, different terrains to make it interesting for you, and hopefully you'll enjoy. So that was Yamaha FZ07 riding. I hope you enjoy my video. If you did, subscribe to my channel and like my video.